Have you ever wondered what makes Thai cuisine so irresistibly delicious that it lures food lovers from all corners of the globe? Today, we're embarking on a tantalizing 7-day journey across Thailand's top cities, exploring the myriad of flavors this beautiful country has to offer. From street food stalls to top-rated restaurants, we'll dive into local specialties for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Get ready, Epicureans, because this is the ultimate food adventure through Thailand you don't want to miss. Good morning from the bustling streets of Bangkok. For breakfast, we're starting with a local favorite jak, a comforting rice porridge at a street vendor praised by locals. Next, we're off to explore the Grand Palace, absorbing the history and culture before lunch. Lunchtime brings us to Ran Jai Phai, where we savor the world-renowned crab omelette. As the sun sets, we venture to a hidden gem, Som Tam Dare, for an authentic taste of spicy papaya salad and sticky rice for dinner. Then experience the vibrant nightlife in areas like Khao Soi Road or Sukhumvit Road. Our first day concludes under the neon lights of Bangkok, full of vibrant flavors and unforgettable dishes. Rise and shine in Chiang Mai, the northern jewel. Our first meal is Khao Soi, a creamy coconut curry noodle soup at a quaint cafe near Doi Suthep. Midday, we wander through the ancient city ready for our next culinary discovery. Lunch is at Hua Hin, where we indulge in traditional Lanna dishes such as Gyang Hang Lei, a flavorful curry dish made with tender pork belly, shallots, garlic, ginger, turmeric, and a variety of aromatic spices. For dinner, the Night Bazaar awaits, offering an array of street food options. We settle for succulent grilled sayur and sticky rice. Grilled sayur is a traditional northern Thai sausage made with minced pork, which is mixed with a variety of aromatic herbs and spices, including lemongrass, galangal, kaffir lime leaves, shallots, garlic, cilantro, and dried red chili peppers. Chiang Mai leaves us enchanted with its lush landscapes and rich aromatic dishes. Welcome to the island paradise of Phuket. We kick off with a beachside breakfast of fresh tropical fruits and roti. Roti in Phuket refers to a popular street food snack that originated from the Indian subcontinent but has been adapted and incorporated into Thai cuisine. It consists of thin, unleavened bread that is typically fried and served with various sweet or savory toppings. After enjoying a good swim, we head for lunch at the Blue Elephant. We recommend the exquisite Phuket-style lobster curry. Dinner is a beachfront affair at Raya Restaurant, known for its spectacular sunset views and Phuket-style pork belly. Phuket's serene beauty and fresh, vibrant flavors capture our hearts. Now we venture to Pattaya. Our day starts with an energizing Thai iced tea and patongo, Thai donuts by the beach. Discovering Pattaya's hidden beaches builds our appetite for lunch at Jasmine's Cafe, where we can chow down on some pad thai. This classic dish typically consists of rice noodles stir-fried with shrimp, tofu, bean sprouts, eggs, and a tangy sauce made from tamarind paste, fish sauce, and sugar. Evening in Pattaya is lively, and we dine at Surf and Turf Beach Club and Restaurant, enjoying steamed river prawns and blue crab under the stars. Pattaya's blend of culinary surprises and breathtaking vistas leaves us wanting more. Stepping into Ayutthaya, the ancient city full of historical wonders. Breakfast is traditional boat noodles on a floating market, an experience in itself. Boat noodles are a traditional Thai noodle soup served in a flavorful broth made from beef or pork bones, seasoned with soy sauce, chili paste, and spices. Originally sold from boats along Bangkok's canals, they're now enjoyed in restaurants and street food stalls, offering a taste of Thailand's vibrant culinary culture. We spend the day exploring the ruins and temples, soaking in the history. Lunch at Sai Thong offers us a taste of authentic Ayutthaya recipes such as Khao Pad Saparot. This is their version of pineapple fried rice, featuring a delicious combination of cooked rice stir-fried with pineapple chunks, shrimp, cashew nuts, raisins, and various seasonings. It's often served in a hollowed-out pineapple shell for an extra presentation. Dinner is at a local's recommendation, Ban Kun Pra, where the river prawn curry is a must-try. Ayuttaya's historical backdrop adds a unique dimension to our culinary journey. Krabi greets us with its stunning cliffside landscapes. Morning starts with a breakfast adventure, kayaking out to find a secluded spot for a picnic of fresh mangoes and sticky rice. Midday, we trek to Tiger Cave Temple, rewarding ourselves afterward with lunch at Ruan Mai, known for its organic Thai dishes. Try the fried fish or the deliciously aromatic green curry. Dinner is on Ao Nang Beach, grilling fresh seafood and some of the best barbecue chicken as the sun dips below the horizon. Krabi's natural beauty and fresh, wholesome foods rejuvenate our spirits. Our final stop, Hua Hin, the Royal Beachside Retreat. We begin with a serene breakfast at a cafe overlooking the sea, indulging in a Thai-style omelette. For lunch, we have an array of restaurants along the beach. Khao Soi, or Chopsticks Mountain, is a scenic area in Hua Hin known for its seafood restaurants. Visitors can enjoy a variety of fresh seafood dishes such as grilled squid, steamed crab, and stir-fried prawns. Our journey culminates within the bustling hub of street food stalls and vendors selling a variety of regional specialties. We can sample dishes like grilled satay skewers, crispy fried seafood pancakes, spicy papaya salad, and grilled meats served with sticky rice. Hua Hin's royal charm and innovative dishes perfectly round off our incredible journey through Thailand. What a flavourful odyssey it's been, traversing Thailand and diving deep into its culinary heart. These 7 days have been a testament to Thailand's rich, diverse, and utterly delicious cuisine, touching our hearts and tastes in ways we'll never forget. Epicureans, we hope this journey inspired your taste buds and maybe even your next travel destination. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your favourite dish from our adventure or any other Thai delicacies you adore. Thank you for joining me on this delectable voyage across Thailand. Until next time, keep exploring and savouring every bite.